tiko e nā, tiko wakaturanga. Aotearoa roi tiko na ngone turanga na tui. Waturanga sa tiko na matari tu. Waturanga sa talanga na kena lotu. Tekinturu mo warumbe dentro na kamunanga na watu ni vanua. Kamunanga sa kambe waturanga sa tiko mana vanua. Matari tu wakaturanga o viti na kena viti tiko wakaturanga. Mena kena matang bosi lebo wakaturanga. Kumbuna malangani turanga na bulibalu na tui kamba. Burin basanga na ngani marama bala rong tina kaiti na turanga na bulibalu. Mata viwaka ni baka turanga na tomata na kena buni masiva moto. Kabunanga sa talanga me na mata ni tu ezo mata leo re chiko na ngani turanga na tui mazo ata na ito kei bola tangani. Nangara mga ruan re chiko na ngani turanga na ratu na tui na watu. Kena mata viwalu kena mata ni tu. Au te tu tikin turu sa mo varu bele na watu ni vanua na kabunanga. Ai rengu vanua ngane chiko sa watu. Ai wari te ka ni wani mata ni vanua. Ami tangi na sa tigo na kena sa mai ronga sa chiko na kali ni kalo na lom tu chiko watu ranga. Sa ni chiko ala matin to viti. Me zambe mai na mata ni singa ni ndai me waru bele na watu ni vanua na wari te ni wani mata ni rao. Ni ta kini na vingomi. Ona vingomi na yalo vina. His Excellency graced our shores a few months ago to witness the re-establishment of the Great Council of Chiefs. For 16 years, the indigenous chiefs lay silent. Winds of change flowed through our shores. We were able to reinstate. We were honored for his presence. This is the tears of the nation of Fiji. The tears of the Honorable Excellency the President, the Prime Minister, the tears of the people of Fiji. A few months later, in the land of Hawaii, he graced us again, calling the chiefly household of all the Pacific Islands. On the beaches of Waikiki, we witnessed every morning as we rose up, he was not physically well. Yet due to his illness, he persevered to lead the nations of the Pacific, to remind us that we are not members of small islands of the Pacific. And we are members of one family, the biggest island nation of the biggest ocean of the world. We are here from Fiji to show our tears and to tell you the movement that started in the hills of Waikato is no longer the movement of Aotearoa. The ripples went through the oceans of the Pacific. And in the beaches of Waikiki, the ripples was able to be manifested. For the first time ever, the chiefs of the islands of the Pacific came together in one accord to decide that they will now work as one. To remind our people, to remind our children, that even though we face the challenges of the world, it is in our oneness we are able to overcome it. Your Excellency, this is our tears. The tears of our ancestors that have passed on. The tears of our government, the tears of our people. It is also our tears to come and say thank you. All the indigenous and all the Fijians have now graced Aotearoa and have called them their home. This is their tears also to come and say thank you. Thank you for protecting us. Thank you for accepting us into your wonderful life. It is our prayer, and may I say the prayer of all the dignitaries that stand before you, that your waka will find his way back home. You will rest with the ancestors. Your job is now done. It is our prayer also that the throne will not be long for empty. That God's grace Almighty will call upon a new king, a new champion to take the nation forward. as we continue with our movie. Balang-balang sa ating na bosa di kamunanga. Dami mga turang sa ating may naman kada matay balu. Sa dami sa kanil chico mga turang at roa. Sosoraki ato